Now, most of us these days watch these guys on YouTube that seem pretty smart. They teach you about finances, time, productivity, investments, and whatnot. And one such day, जब तुम उनका content consume कर रहे होते हो, it makes you realize कि यार ये लोग तो काफी सारी books पढ़ते हैं. Not just काफी सारी, I mean काफी सारी books पढ़ते हैं. And seriously, तब तुम्हें realization होती है कि यार तुम तो इतने अच्छे रीडर नहीं हो. And once you start watching their videos about their book recommendations, तुम्हें realize होता है that you have this urge to buy a new book. A book that seems so tempting because it's one of the favorite books of your one such content creator. It looks like something we could see ourselves reading, or more importantly, it would look good on the shelf with 10 other books you haven't read yet. But even after knowing all this, we make this mistake of ordering it. Well, I am no different than this. I am not a good reader. I can be highly honest with you guys. I have started a lot of books in my life, but I don't think I've completed more than 3 or 4. पर honestly, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? That the fact कि I am not a good reader right now, I don't think it's gonna stop me from being a good reader this year. And that is why I have decided to take this challenge of reading at least 12 books this year and develop this habit of reading every day, even if it's 5 minutes a day. I mean, for now I have started with just 1 book a month. I'm gonna take notes of it, and of course, with time as I complete books, I would love to make videos and share my lessons that I learned from that book, or maybe a book review. Who knows? Anyways, I'm not taking it up as a goal because goals are destinations. I'm trying to make it a habit. A habit is a process, and it's gonna evolve you eventually, like a Pokemon. Not exactly. Anyways, it's gonna be a really cool challenge. And the 12 books I'll be reading are these. So for the month of January, I have decided to read this book, Do Epic Shit, by Mr. Ankur Warikoo. Of course, we all know him. He doesn't need an introduction, at least not by me. ठीक है? So I have read half of this book already, although काफी दिन हो गए हैं since I got this book, but because of procrastination, start ही नहीं कर पा रहा था. Recently started and completed almost half of it. And honestly, I am already very excited to share a review, my honest review about this book with you guys in a video that will be coming pretty soon. Just subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for it. So now, before we move on to the list of the remaining books that I will be reading this year, let me tell you something really exciting. Unacademy is all set to launch the biggest tests of this year for class 7 to 12th that are going to be held on 23rd and 29th of January, 6th and 13th of February. Unacademy is Prodigy is going to be the biggest test that you are going to give this year, and you can register it for free. It's an all India mock test. Take a note that the tests are going to be held on 23rd January, 29th January, 6th of February and 13th of February. All the participants are going to be eligible for a 20 lakh rupees scholarship grant for their graduation and post graduation. You also stand a chance to win unbelievable prizes like MacBooks, iPhones, iPads and a lot more. Also, to test your waters, you can give 30-minute practice tests that are going to be starting from 15th of January. It's going to be a 1-hour test, and you can register for free from the link in the description using my code HSYT10. Also, All India mock test for JEE 2022 is starting from 16th of January every Sunday 2 to 5 p.m. You all must register for it from the link in the description using my code HSYT10. Also, 200 students are going to get up to 100% scholarship on Unacademy Plus subscription if you give that test. So what are you waiting for? And before you move on, let me just remind you, if you are taking your Plus or Iconic subscription on Unacademy app, you must use my code HSYT10 for a 10% off. Now let's move on to the list of the remaining books that I'm gonna be reading this year. क्या बोल गया मैं? That I'm gonna be reading this year. ठीक है? हाँ, these are the books that I'm gonna be reading except for Do Epic Shit. ठीक है? And you gotta count these. ये तो यार सिर्फ 10 books हैं and one is Do Epic Shit. तो 12th book कौन सी है? 12th book is gonna be The Psychology of Money. I really wanna read that book. But I have promised myself that I am only going to read that book if I am able to pull off this habit of reading for at least 21 days. And for that, I have made this challenge chart for myself that I'm gonna keep crossing every day, ताकि मैं अपनी ये हैबिट एक्चुअल में बना सकूं. And I'm really gonna challenge you guys as well to follow this 21 days challenge. Not just for reading, maybe for any other thing you want to do, like exercise. It could be cooking or a habit of yours that you want to develop, maybe singing, or why not study for your JEE exam. So the next book I'll be reading is this, The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F. It's a book by Mark Manson, and of course it's a New York Times bestseller. It's a book I had already started and I read about 30-35 pages, but because it was a PDF, I sort of gave in. But now you see I have ordered the book and hopefully I'm gonna read it completely. The next book जो कि भाई हर financial guru is going to tell you कि भाई ये तो पढ़नी ही पढ़नी है. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. I don't know how to pronounce that. The next book that I had started reading at least 3 to 4 times. I read about 100 pages of this book, even more, but couldn't complete क्योंकि थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल हो जाती है ना. The next book, one of my favorites. यार ये भी मैंने स्टार्ट करी है. I am not lying upon it. काफी सारी बुक स्टार्ट करी, खत्म नहीं कर पाया हूँ. I am really hoping इस साल में कर पाऊँ. This is What Can I Give by Srijan Pal Singh. He was the personal assistant to Shri Abdul Kalam ji, and it's a really beautiful book about Mr. Kalam's life. So the next book on the list is international bestseller Thinking Fast and Slow, another bestseller. It's a thick book you can see, और भाई ये इतनी ज़्यादा easy नहीं है. This book is really going to make you contemplate. And the next book on the list is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, another bestseller, millions of copies sold, another one that I bought. Not exactly me, this is another gift I got from my sister this birthday. The next one I bought for myself क्योंकि ये book बहुत सस्ती थी, 50 या 60 रुपए की मिल गई थी. And this is As a Man Thinketh. और जितनी छोटी ये book है उतनी ही ज़्यादा complicated है. Then there is the 5 AM Club. This is gonna be a dream for me क्योंकि भाई I do wanna wake up at 5 AM, not sleep at 5 AM, जो कि मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ. And I know it's very unhealthy for me. And then there is this, Everything is Fucked. It's sort of a sequel, जो मैं expect कर रहा हूँ. Never read it, to The Subtle Art of Not Giving an F, again by Mark Manson, a book about hope. Let's just wait and see कि ये book हमारे लिए कितनी hope hold करती है. The next book, next month के लिए I will definitely be reading this. This is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty, and this guy is really amazing. This is another one of those smart guys जो कि हम definitely YouTube पर देखते हैं. Most of us do. I really love the idea behind this book and the way Jay Shetty was inspired by Gaur Gauranga Das. Thanks a lot for the support you guys have been showing on this channel recently. And अगर तुम्हें ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो then please let me know. Keep showing your love, support, and do comment कि तुम कौन सा 21 days challenge लेने वाले हो after seeing this video. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, peace out, bye bye.